Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
You are a popular character, Dad.
Well, thanks.
In my YouTube channel. And to the point where we're probably going to have to pull you in now by way of Skype every week, even when you're not visiting. So you've got a lot of fans out there in YouTube land.
Good.
And one of them, one of our Nomies from Nomies.com, wanted to know your thoughts on tax software and accounting software. Do you think that this is displacing accountants and their careers?
No, I don't think it's really displacing them. The most of the tax software is pretty good. The ones I've come across, whoops.
It's okay.
They all work well. I think they're more designed. The better use of them are people that have what I would call simple taxes, where basically a W-2 and maybe a few deductions. But if you have a business or if you have any kind of questions, sometimes they're a little difficult to trip through some of the tax software because it's question driven, and some of them call it GPS. They guide you through the tax system, but they may miss something. If you sit down with someone face to face, you may say something that triggers a thought on whoever's doing your taxes, and they may be better able to help you save on your taxes.
So people should still use tax software and accounting software?
Yeah, I think it's fine, as long as they realize that if they do have what they feel is a more complicated tax issue, they should go to someone that has a better grasp of taxes than they may have themselves.
There seem to be a lot of gotchas, though, with a lot of that software. I mean, how do you know which one's the right software to trust with your taxes? I mean, there's a lot on the line.
Well, I think they're all pretty well guaranteed. It's just like anything. If you stay with the names, I think you're better. You'll have better results.
So
like TurboTax,
sure.
Or I think H&R Block has a tax package, and some of those you can do online. So
isn't it now all online though?
Taxes? Yeah, pretty well. You have to file all your taxes online as it is. People still like to mail them in because you see I got gray hair, so I was born BC, which is before computers. So, there's a mistrust there. So some of the folks that still have a mistrust for the digital world, then they may like to print out their tax return, sign it, and mail it in. Plus, if you do that, it may be less likely to be audited because someone else has to turn around and key that back in. So it's kind of different thoughts for different people.
Now, do you have any, like, in terms of general tips, what you might watch out for in a lot of the tax or accounting software, things that would benefit people?
Really not that I'm aware of. No. I think I'm reading that.
Sure. Now, what about Excel? Do you
There's someone said they ran it on, is it MYOB, M-Y-O-B accounting software?
Yep.
But they still had a CPA. So I think that's a good idea.
They
can always recheck your work. I love Excel.
But is Excel as essential as it used to be?
It is to me.
Why?
Because virtually everything I do, I can do within an Excel worksheet. Like, for example, if I even want to do a to-do list or a calendar, and I do use some of the calendar software, but it's easier for me to put it in an Excel, and I have ways I can organize it so that I can sort it certain ways, and I can do it quicker. Mainly because that's where my knowledge lies. As I get more and more into the notes, especially like I got on the iPhone and my iPad, then I'm becoming a little more and more familiar with those. But as best I know, the ones I use, I have yet to been able to figure out how to sort things.
So do you have any accounting software or financial software or productivity software on the iPhone that you like, since you're using the iPhone?
I have not used any kind of accounting software on my iPhone. However, I did find out, as a matter of fact, today, that you can now have some banks offer a phone app. I won't say iPhone app because I think it probably works on the Androids also. That you basically say you receive a check. This is what I understood. You receive a check in the mail. You lay it down, take a picture of it, shoot that picture off to your bank, it automatically takes that picture and makes the deposit, puts that in your checking account, and at the same time processes the return check back through the system, back to the person that wrote the check. So we're getting more and more digital, even if for us folks that don't want to, we're kind of have to survive.
Mike Linux NL is asking at live.perillo.com, can Joe read the chat? Mike, you met Mike in Germany. That's that.
Oh,
Mike.
hi Mike, how you doing? He's over there.
Yeah, he's over in the separate live video feed at live.perillo.com.
We had a lot of fun when we were in Germany. It was very interesting. Nice country.
So, anything else you wanted to add in this segment to your?
No,
your
but I am looking for 2 special shirts. I want an iShirt, which I think they could have like iPhones on it and iPads and Macs, and they could put all those on there. And they can have probably a Microsoft shirt and put all their symbols for Excel, Word, etc., and make a
like a Hawaiian
nice
shirt?
Hawaiian shirt.
A Hawaiian shirt.
Aloha shirt, whatever you wish to call them.
I don't know what the style is.
Yeah,
Yeah, people were asking. They said they like your shirt.
No, wait, hang on. No, I haven't seen the TurboTax iOS app yet, but I will check it out.
So, nothing else?
Not from me. So long, all.